Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to see whether the old girl will move successfully under her own steam. But before we do that, we're going to put the bumper on. Let's go. Can't find the brackets. We'll find them, put them on another day, put them on properly. So, it looks like we've got a snap bolt. So I need to get that out. Excellent. Found the brackets. Then I get one nut on there, so I'm not going to be able to put two nuts on and then loosen it off, unfortunately. I'll just try another idea.
Awkward there. Let me get that straight here. Keep that tight. That's tight, isn't it? Oh no.
It's just stripping it. Is it too big, too small?
I don't know.
Well, we can't get the bumper on at the moment because of that stuck nut, so we'll just take it out like this and just drive it down to the bottom of the mum and dad's close and back up, just to make sure that it all works and pulls okay. Battery sounds like it's flat. Give it some gas. Battery's flat. Put clutch down as well. Come on. Give it some beans. Hooray! Yeah. Seems all right now. It's blowing clear now. Interesting. She moves, that's good. Not sure why it's idling higher now after the engine's been under a bit of load. Seems to be idling at 2,000 revs now. If anyone's got any ideas, let me know down in the comments below. We're going to try and knock the idle back down to about 1,000 revs. That's about right, yeah. Alright, let's see how she drives now. There she goes. Well, there we go. She moves under her own steam and seems to have plenty of power, plenty of pull. Can't believe it, that's great. So we've got a few more jobs to do on this before she's ready for her MOT. Got to replace the clutch cable, check all the lights work, see if we figure out why the washers aren't working. But yeah, she moves under her own steam, plenty of power. I'm pretty happy with that. She didn't go bang, and the fan works, which is great. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, click on subscribe. Plenty more to come from with Lemon, so stick around. Thanks a lot. See you in a new video soon. Bye bye.